Hi there, I'm Beata and welcome to Proficiency Consultant's Top Tips for Learning Italian. In this series, I'll be sharing my best tips to help you learn Italian effectively. Today, let's start with the first step in any language journey, setting clear goals. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming, but having clear goals can make all the difference. First, think about what you want to achieve. What's your end goal? Is it to hold conversation fluently, travel with ease, or maybe read your favorite Italian novels? Next, start small and specific. A goal like learn 20 new words a week or have a 60-minute conversation in Italian once a week give you something concrete to work towards. These small, achievable goals will build your confidence and keep you moving forward. Finally, write your goals down and keep them visible. Stick them on your desk, your mirror, or your fridge. This constant reminder will help you stay focused and motivated every day. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step forward counts. Keep in mind that you can do it. Stay motivated and consistent, and you'll reach your goals. For more tips and resources, visit my blog at proficiencyconsultant.com. Happy learning! Ciao! A presto!